There are beaches, desert trips, adventures, and things to do in Dubai. Dubai is definitely a city that was built with tourists in mind. It is the best because it has 7-star hotels and other high-end hotels connected to mega malls. This way, families can do everything they want to do on vacation without having to leave the complex. Shopping and fake adventures are fun, but Dubai is so much more than that. Let's talk about the best things to do in Dubai. 10. Go to the top of the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the world's largest building, offering stunning views of the city. Visitors can take the high-speed lift 160 stories up to enjoy the view, but be prepared for a busy experience. The famous building, climbed by Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible, is a must-see attraction. Despite its popularity, the Burj Khalifa is not as fun as other high-rise sites, but the elevator is essential for accessing the 124th, 125th, and 148th floors. To ensure a smooth experience, avoid waiting in line and quickly pass through security lines. The tour can be stopped up to 24 hours in advance. Despite the impressive glass floors of the Calgary Tower and Toronto CN Tower, the Burj Khalifa remains the world's largest building, making it a must-see attraction in Dubai. 9. Check out the Dubai Marina. Downtown Dubai offers a walkway to enjoy the stunning views of the Dubai Marina, the world's second largest man-made marina. The area is surrounded by large buildings and shopping malls, making it a popular spot for nightlife. Visitors can also enjoy a zip-line ride over the harbor to Dubai Harbor Mall, one of the tallest and fastest in the world. For a low price, enjoy a breakfast yacht tour, a morning cruise with food, or a barbecue cruise at sunset. The Blue Water Island on the way to the Dubai Eye offers stunning views of Jumeirah Beach, the Palm Jumeirah, and the Burj Al Arab. 8. Visit the beach. Dubai has beautiful beaches with sand. You can do a lot of different water sports at this beach, and there are lots of beach chairs and empty sand spots where you can relax and soak up the sun. A public beach is watched over by the famous Burj Al Arab. You can stay there if you have the money to do so, as a 7-star hotel is the most expensive place to stay in Dubai. 7. Check out the Dubai Mall. Even though we didn't say much about the stores in the beginning, they are beautiful to look at. In fact, the shops are without a doubt the best things to do in Dubai. The Dubai Mall is the world's biggest shopping center, and it has a lot more than just clothing shops and boutiques. You can even go diving with sharks at the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. The Dubai Mall also has an ice rink, waterfalls, and clothes stores for well-known brands, so you can get lost for the day. You can even have a shark, or in fact, you can ride a boat around Dubai Lake and feel like you're in Venice. 6. The Mall of the Emirates. At Ski Dubai, you can ride or ski, watch a movie, or do some shopping when you go to the Mall of the Emirates. Dubai has a lot of shops, and many hotels offer free shuttles to take you there. There, you can spend all your hard-earned money. Ski Dubai, an underground ski resort, was one of the coolest things we saw before we went to Dubai. Being from Canada, we find it very strange to be able to ski inside. The shops in Dubai have everything you could want in a vacation spot. Dubai takes everything to the next level. You can ski, ice skate, go to water parks, or even scuba dive in a huge fish tank there. Dubai has thought of everything. You can stay at the mall all day. Plus, you can cool off in the air conditioning to get away from the Dubai heat when it's really hot outside in the desert. 5. Fountain Snow in Dubai. The Dubai Fountain has a waterfall show, just like the Bellagio in Las Vegas. This is the best water show in the world. Only the one in Dubai is bigger and better. Make sure that the Dubai Fountain is one of the things you have to see in Dubai. Every night until midnight, a water and light show runs for 10 minutes every half hour. There are always new songs, light shows, and dance moves, so you'll never see the same show twice. For a better view of the show, get there 10 minutes early and choose a place right at the fence. You can also grab a drink at one of the restaurants on the lake where the show is held. We also really like the show. 4. Go on a beautiful flight. Embarking on a picturesque flight offers stunning vistas of the Persian Gulf coastline and Dubai skyline. The sprawling layout of Dubai's buildings made it difficult to appreciate them from various angles on the ground, but a flight solved that issue. From up above, all the city's magnificent modern structures came into view during the scenic journey. 3. The Palm Jumeirah. Dubai is a city that should only be seen from the air. Seeing the Palm Jumeirah from above is beautiful. It's hard to understand this technical feat since Dubai has added 650 kilometers of coastline for its people to work and play on. Also, 4 kilometers off the coast of Dubai, there is a plan for the world with hundreds of man-made islands ready to be built upon. People today are amazed by the Palm Jumeirah. This group of islands sticks out into the Persian Gulf and was all made by people. 2. Jumeirah Mosque. The Jumeirah Mosque is a popular destination for tourists in Dubai since it is open to people of all faiths and backgrounds, even those who do not adhere to the Islamic faith. Keep in mind that you should dress modestly by covering your shoulders and legs if you intend to visit any mosque or other important site of worship. 1. Go to the desert. It is likely that you will have a good time on this vacation if you have never gone to the desert before. The megacity of Dubai is not home to all of Dubai's attractions. If you want to make the most of your time in Dubai, you might consider leaving the city and traveling to the desert. At the Dubai Desert, which is a portion of the largest sand desert in the world, there are a variety of fun and adventurous desert excursions available for tourists to choose from. We hope you enjoyed the video. Are you curious about the hidden gems in Dubai beyond the well-known attractions that promise unique cultural experiences and unforgettable memories for those exploring this vibrant city? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss our video.